Kevin Yento, and the purpose of this project was to use polynomials to design a chocolate bar. We had to express the prism volume formula as a function of a single x variable. Then use a regular prism to determine the volume function by determining the formula, then graphing it.
My name is Estefany and this is our AC volume project. The first step in doing this project is to identify where big B, little b, C, X, and H are located at. The way to do this is by looking at a diagram of a trapezoid, like this one. And as you can see right here, big B is right here, little b is right here, C is here, and X is right here. And since H is the height of the trapezoid, it will be this line right here. The next step is to identify the volume formula as well as the formulas of 27 and 22 inches, big B and H. The reason why it's 27 inches instead of 28 inches is because you have to consider the tabs when building the prism. Moving forward, the volume formula is V equals big B plus small b over 2 times H and times C. The formula for 27 inches is 2x plus big B plus small b. This is because there's exactly one b right here, one small b right here, and then you have two x's right here that make up the horizontal part, which is 27 inches. The formula for 22 inches is 2h plus c equals 22. This is because you have two h's, one right here, and then another one that should be here if you drew another line, and then you have a c that make up the vertical part of the net prism. The formula for big B is little b plus x equals big B. As you can see, this is where you have big B, and it is made up of a small b and then an x. The formula for h is the square root of 3 over 2 times x. The next step, after identifying all the appropriate formulas that you need, you must now combine the formulas of 27 and big B and then solve for little b, which will give you 27 minus 3x all over 2. Next, you must combine the formulas of 22 and h and solve for c. Once you solve for c, you will get c equals 22 minus the square root of 3 times x. The next step is to plug in all the formulas into the volume formula, which will result in the equation of v equals 27 minus 3x over 2 plus x plus 27 minus 3x over 2 all over 2 times the square root of 3 over 2 times x times 22 minus the square root of 3 times x.
Once you have plugged in the other equations into the volume formula, graph the equation in the curve, and next find the maximum point, which is this. The y indicates the maximum volume, which is 4. X is 40.36, and it represents all the x in the other formulas. Next, plug in 436 into the equation in order to get the measurements of little b, big B, h, and c. Once you do that, you will get little b, which is 6.96, big B, which is 11.32, h 3.7758, z equals 14.4.
The next step is to multiply all the measurements by 2.54 in order to convert them to centimeters from inches. The results will be x equals 11.1, c equals 36.7, h equals 9.6, little b equals 17.7, big B equals 28.75, and v, which is the volume, will be 1267.5. And this x will be 5.5 since you will divide 11.1, which was the original x, by 2 since you have two x's right here, and that will give you 5.5.
Now to the measurement of the box. As you can see, both of these sides, these are x, which the measurement of x is 11.1 centimeters. C Z is gonna equal 36.7 centimeters. It's gonna be long side right here. These two long sides. H, which is the height right here, that's gonna equal 9.6. Small b, which is going to the measurement of this, that's gonna equal to 17.7. Big B, on the other hand, which is the bottom, this long line right here, that's gonna equal to 28.8 centimeters. And B